Buenos días, IdeaCity. Happy summer solstice. We are l'Equipe Tambora. It's a wave,
fall from the sky.
wave of change. It's a wave of change.
Fall from the sky.
El agua sube al cielo de Colombia, bañó las laderas de la sierra. Y cuando al fin cesó la lluvia, sonaron las tamboras de la cumbia, sonaron las tamboras de la cumbia. Goza Colombia, goza Colombia, la cumbia Colombia.
Agua dulce,
Agua dulce,
agua dulce,
agua dulce.
agua de vida, sangre de vida. Agua dulce, la tranquila.
Agua, vida, agua. Y para que la sierra fuera libre, nos montamos en la ola de este cambio. Cuando nuestros corazones entendieron, sonaron las tamboras de la cumbia, sonaron las tamboras de la cumbia. Goza Colombia, goza Colombia, la cumbia Colombia.
Agua dulce,
Agua dulce,
agua dulce,
agua dulce.
agua de vida, sangre de vida. Agua dulce, la tranquila.
Agua, vida, agua, vida. Qué bacano. Pourquoi tombes-tu?
Pourquoi tombes-tu?
You give me life.
Pourquoi tombes-tu du ciel? Pourquoi tombes-tu?
Agua de vida, agua dulce.
Pourquoi tombes-tu? Juste tomber et planter mon semence dans la terre. Desde Villa va llegando a Barranquilla.
Sweet change.
Agua, vida, agua, vida.
Goza Colombia. Willy Calderón. La cumbia Colombia. El poeta de la lebre. Goza Colombia. La cumbia Colombia. IdeaCity, this is la cumbia Colombia. Goza Colombia, la cumbia
Colombia, la cumbia Colombia se goza en Colombia. Goza Colombia, la cumbia Colombia, la cumbia Colombia se goza en Colombia. Goza Colombia, la cumbia Colombia, la cumbia Colombia se goza en Colombia. La cumbia
se goza en Colombia.
cumbia,
La cumbia Colombia se goza en Colombia.
cumbia, cumbia.
La cumbia Colombia se goza en Colombia. La Colombia se goza en Colombia.
Goza Colombia, la cumbia Colombia, la cumbia Colombia se goza en Colombia.
Thank you.
Place of extraordinary beauty, the place of cariño y colores.
Río y mar. Magdalena. Take me from your rooms where the rhythm flows. Magdalena. Swim the banner bird, dance the heart. Río y mar.
Oh, you, my
Oh,
Thank you so much. We are L'Equipe Tambora. The three of us are from Colombia. Tara is from British Columbia. So we had to put a band together. Tara and I met in Colombia doing environmental activism. But we soon realized that there was so much that we had in common. We had a very big passion for music and the true conviction that music can really change the world. Ideas can change the world. But instead of seeing our art, our music, and our storytelling as something disjointed from our commitment to the cause, we took an approach of creative activism, which, as its name suggests, is putting our creativity to use, putting our creativity to the cause. And growing up in Colombia, there is no way that we can have, we can separate our love and our act and our talent with our politics and our desire for a better world. Colombia right now is at an inflection point, and we, with L'Equipe Tambora, want to contribute to give direction to this country and really take heed from the ancestral wisdom that has been given to us. Value the environment, value our cultural diversity, and really take this country into its full potential. We want to see the contribution of Colombia in the world. So this is who we are, L'Equipe Tambora. Thank you so much for being a captive audience. We love being here in Toronto, my first time. It's been beautiful. So thank you so much, IdeaCity.
Gracias.
Happy summer solstice. And happy Music Day, World Music Day.
So this is a little bit of more cultural integration, a little bit of cumbia, our dear cumbia, with a little bit of Torontonian influence. Hey. Dos. You might recognize that one.
This song is called Colombia Soul.
Ya son tantos los años, y como bien saben, yo me amaño aquí, pero yo tengo algo para acomodar, tin, tin. Colombia en mi pecho, tum, tum. Situación sentimental, it's complicated. Siempre late en mi pecho, boom, boom.
Colombia soul,
El ritmo que me llega
there's a rhythm that gets me.
de mi alma, Colombia.
Colombia soul,
Ritmo que me llega
there's a rhythm that says,
de mi alma, Colombia.
I don't know.
Watch it temper.
Oh, but it's a break.
De mi alma, Colombia.
I'm so far away.
Ritmo que me llega
En el país del norte.
What if I told you that? Yo salí soñando, I'm not running away. Doesn't really matter what the reason was.
Far away.
Never really mattered what the reason was. Never really mattered what the reason was. Aventura a lo tin tin. Colombia en mi pecho tum tum. situación sentimental. It's complicated. Siempre late en mi pecho, boom, boom.
Colombia soul.
El ritmo que me llega
There's a rhythm
De mi alma Colombia,
Colombia soul.
ritmo que me llega.
There's a rhythm that says,
de mi alma Colombia.
I don't know how
Mais tout de même, moi je t'aime.
to get over this outbreak.
De mi alma Colombia,
So far away.
el ritmo que me llega.
En el país del norte. Yo siento puro amor. Puro amor.
And if I'm ever feeling down,
Colombia soul.
you know I put on choking down.
Colombia soul.
El ritmo que me llega.
Oh, there's a rhythm that gets me.
De mi alma Colombia,
Colombia soul.
ritmo que me llega.
Es el rhythm de sentir.
De mi alma Colombia,
Colombia soul.
Colombia soul,
Yo siento puro amor.
Colombia soul,
Puro amor.
Colombia soul. Tara Davis, come on, ladies and gentlemen. Andrés Ospina, Willy Calderón.
Paul Jamerson, everyone. We are L'Equipe Tambora. Our music is out today. Check it out on all major platforms. L'Equipe Tambora at Instagram, teamtambora.com.
L'equipe Tambora, c'est l'equipe. You say Tambora, when I say l'equipe. You say Tambora, I say
Merci bien. Gracias. We are l'équipe Tambora. See you at IdeaCity.
Oh, come back, come back, come back, come back. We got to get our pictures, Andres. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yes, and another Andres. Thank you so much. I want to tell you, it's not their fault. They're Canadian. They're really pumped. I know. I saw them quivering in their seats.
Should we say sorry?
For waking them up. Well, that's wonderful. And this little burst of Colombiana comes to us courtesy of Wade Davis, who I told you the other day I finally tracked down. So Wade led us to Tara, and Tara led us to Tambora, and what a fabulous way to kick off day 3.
Thank you, everybody.
Gracias. Thank you so much.